Have you ever looked at an SUV or minivan and daydreamed about hitting the open road and roaming the countryside, camping anywhere free of charge? If so, you may wonder which is the best option to get the most enjoyment out of your adventure. In this video, I discuss several advantages and disadvantages of minivan campers versus SUV RVs and which of the two I believe are the best vehicle for no-build camper conversions. There are many factors to consider when deciding among small vehicle campers. Do you envision an ultimate overland experience where you are miles away from any amenities? Perhaps you plan to make your way through the desert in Death Valley, or maybe you plan to do most of your camping in campgrounds or stealth camping on public roads. These two visions of your camping experience should have the biggest influence on your decision and will certainly impact the final outcome of what features your overall build ends up with. Help promote the idea behind this video by giving it a like. While SUVs are more popular among outdoor adventurers because of their perceived ruggedness and versatility, in many cases, when it is time to set up camp, those perceptions can quickly fade away. Let me know which one you prefer in the comments. There are various sizes and classifications of SUVs. So for this video, I have limited my discussion to mid-size SUVs and minivans. For example, the vehicles used for this comparison are among similarly spec'd Toyota Sienna versus Toyota Highlander or Honda Odyssey versus Honda Pilot. Now let's take a look at some of the similarities among both vehicles. Both vehicles are designed to haul families and cargo. While most minivans have a seating capacity of at least 7 and up to 8 passengers, SUVs typically seat 5, with limited availability for seating up to 8 passengers. Additionally, both vehicles have similar driving capabilities in urban and well-maintained road conditions. They can fit into the same parking spaces and have similar turning requirements. As a result, both SUVs and minivans can be similarly undetected and are suitable for stealth camping in the same places. Both vehicles can also be found in all-wheel drive and will be discussed later in this video. And as always, leave a comment with your thoughts below. The biggest feature to compare between minivan campers and SUV RVs is internal space. Here we have the current model Sienna and Highlander hybrids. This Sienna has a wheelbase of 120 inches, and unfortunately the middle row is not renewable for the newest generation. Although the middle row is not removable, the Sienna has a mansion-sized interior volume of 193 cubic feet. Now compare this to the Highlander's slightly shorter wheelbase of 112 inches and internal volume of 141 cubic feet. When stacked up side by side, the Sienna has an advantage of almost 52 feet over the Highlander and an already minimal camping experience. The minivan takes the crown. Okay, so what? Why does such a small amount of additional space matter? Well, this happens to be about the space needed to put in a decent sized mini fridge and some storage. These small additions to your camper can significantly improve the overall camping experience. Upon beginning this project, I expected the minivan to have a clear advantage in efficiency. But as I looked at real world numbers reported through fueleconomy.gov, I found that SUVs are not significantly more fuel efficient than minivans. For the comparison, I selected both hybrid 2022 Toyotas as well as both 2014 naturally aspirated Hondas. There was a minimal advantage to the Sienna in highway mileage, and the small advantage was much more distinct among the non-hybrid models. My belief that minivans are more fuel efficient may be a result of the limited availability of all-wheel drive minivans. This brings me to another major difference between minivans and SUVs. Both vehicles occupy a similar space in urban environments, but how they use that space is completely different. SUVs are typically much higher with larger tires, resulting in more ground clearance. SUVs also have seats that take up more room and are not removable. In contrast, minivans are lower to the ground and usually have the same overall height, resulting in more headroom. Additionally, minivans may have removable seats that make the existing space much more usable. Because of this, SUVs are able to go further off the beaten path. Of course, some minivans are offered with all-wheel drive options, and there are some great options for aftermarket minivan lift kits, but upgrading to a lift kit will have a premium cost even if you plan to do the labor yourself. Finding an all-wheel drive minivan is often difficult and the functionality is not as robust as what is found in an SUV. SUVs have a clear advantage in off-road capability. Throughout the years, I've spent countless nights camping in both minivans and SUVs. I have stayed in regular campgrounds, on Bureau of Land Management lands, in hotel parking lots, and even in some airport parking lots. In my opinion, the extra headroom and overall storage capability of a minivan far outweighs the advantage of improved off-road capability offered by an SUV. I prefer to be comfortable and have the additional room to move around, particularly when going stealth. It improves the experience to be able to sit up straight versus only the ability to lie down or crouch. This is, of course, not an issue when off the beaten path and you can sprawl out amongst your surroundings. I have on occasion been worried about not having all-wheel drive, but I have never been stuck anywhere because of a lack of it. For this reason, I believe minivan campers are a better option than SUV RVs for no-build camper conversions.